What's up everybody, Paul here on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel and a brand new update for Tradera. And in this video guys, we're actually really excited to share with you the topic about results and progress from current members. I know that this is a huge factor that many people are wondering when they're first hearing or learning about Tradera in the first place, because of course, when it comes to any type of venture, any type of program, you want to be able to know results, progress, and real life experiences that people are experiencing for whatever service you are looking into. And remember that with Tradera, there are two aspects that you will automatically have access to, and this is available for all members. Not only do you have access to the trading aspects of Tradera, but there's also the marketing side. So I'm going to share with you results and experiences from current members on both aspects, and also share with you a bonus footage at the very end of this video. So you definitely want to stay tuned and don't miss out, because we have some really exciting stuff to share. All right guys, now before we get started guys, if you are new to the channel, be sure that you subscribe, turn on notifications, and that way when we do go live with new updates, especially updates in regards to results and progress from Tradera, you don't miss out. And of course, if you find today's video helpful guys, if you enjoy the content we share with you today, give us a thumbs up and like our videos, as we appreciate and love your support. Now let's go in, let's get started. Sit back, relax, and let's get to it. I know that this is something that many people are eager to really understand on the side of Tradera, and trying to find more information, because results, numbers, experiences, and reviews from other people is what makes or breaks a particular service. And when it comes to Tradera itself, guys, everyone needs to understand that there are two sides to the Tradera spectrum, and these two sides are available for everyone who joins. All right, it doesn't matter which side you're interested in; they're available for you anytime. All right, automatically for you as a member. One side of Tradera focuses on the trading aspect, and the other side is the marketing aspect. And there are a lot of key elements to why Tradera is such a popular but also extremely successful and growing leading company in this industry, guys, and it is because of the services that they provide. Now, a scary notion and a scary fact about trading in general, and also in marketing in general, is that about 95% of people who start off end up failing. And this is why there's that common misconception that trading is, really hard to master. Not everybody can do it, but that's actually not true. As long as you have the proper guidance, or if you have a plan to follow, or if you understand risk management, and if you apply a little bit of patience, you can do it, guys. Anybody can do it. There are so many people in this group who have never even heard of Forex before and are making hundreds of dollars a day with this particular service, guys. Okay, so what are some of the things that you will get just on the trading side of Tradera? There are various services in terms of education, because again guys, knowledge is power. Without knowledge, without proper guidance, you will fail, and that applies not just for trading but in any aspect in life. You also have the ability to attend various trading sessions and webinars, and these are ways that you can learn how to make money, learn how to trade. This is a huge concept of Tradera, guys, that you can earn while you learn. Making money while you are learning how to make money, making money while you are learning how to apply simple and easy to follow strategies. And you could do this with these live trading sessions and webinars that they host every single day during the trading week. So basically what you do is not only are you learning, but you're also replicating and copying what's being taught onto your own broker, collecting profits every single day. Daily trade alerts, just like you receive a notification for text messages, emails, that you can receive trade alerts on your phone every single day, and all you have to do is copy those trades and place them into your broker. That is another way that you can earn money while you make money, and a lot of people are doing this, guys. It's unlike anything I have ever seen. Another exclusive factor that people will also have access to as a member of Tradera is the ever popular 20 pip and dip strategy. This is something that you will not find anywhere else. And like I said, guys, I have a very special surprise for you, a little sneak peek towards the end of this video. So stay tuned, because this pertains to the 20 pip and dip strategy that is exclusive only to members of Tradera, guys. And this is something that the beginner trader who has never traded before is mastering and learning to make money every day. And more importantly, guys, community. Tradera is a community. When you join this service, again, for both the trading aspect and the marketing aspect of this company, you are not alone. You are actually invited to 2 private Facebook groups for these 2 aspects of Tradera, and you're guided every step of the way so that way you can succeed in both of these areas, guys. So again, we'll go into more details about that as we go along in this video, guys, okay? Now, unfortunately, I guess I could say unfortunately, that these 2 Facebook groups are private, all right? So they're privy and exclusive only for members. Now, personally, I would love to go in, give you a visual of, you know, how this community is growing, but again, guys, I can't do that because it is exclusive only for members. However, one thing that we like to do in our group is actually share our progress, share our results, and that's what we're going to be talking about right now, guys. So here are some images of people. These are actually results, guys, from not just, you know, last month or, you know, last year or anything like that. These are results from today. As I'm recording this video at April 2020, these are just some of the feedbacks and posts that current members have posted over the last 12 hours or so, guys. So this is one lady in our group. This is in reference to the 20 pip dip strategy, saying out it's her best trade of the day. If you know anything about trends or dips or anything like that, guys, you can see that she is deep in the money as the value of this specific asset that she is focusing on has, you know, significantly dropped according to her entry level. So she is deep in the money for a huge profit. And you can also see she's really interested in the intraday trading, also asking for advice about anyone who is also not only involved in Tradera, but also doing this at the same time as also sustaining another job. And this is very common, guys. A lot of people in this group who are doing it part-time, who have to go to work, you know, to the typical 9-to-5 job or whatever your hours may be, but they're also doing this as a side hustle because, again, the end game is to be independent, to learn how to trade, to master these skills, so that way you don't even need your 9-to-5 job and you don't even need Tradera because you've learned everything yourself, guys. This is another great image that someone had shared a couple of hours ago earlier this morning, and she says, took a few days off, prayed over myself and energy, balanced myself, go hard for yourself because no one else will. That is very true, guys. And you know, these are all results from following the daily signals that you receive on your phone every day, and also following the trading sessions which you can attend. And also, let me just clarify one thing, guys, about these trading sessions. There are various global markets that are opening and closing at different times. And granted, this is a service that is available on a global scale. Because of different time zones, there are different schedules, and they have it structured and scheduled that no matter where you live around the world, no matter what time zone you live in, there are always trading sessions that are scheduled that you can attend, schedule, and of course enjoy and make money from. We got another one here from this morning about what he says, 97 pips this morning, not a bad way to wake up and start the day. It's lit. 4 out of 4 winning trades, so he had a perfect trading session. So again, guys, let me just remind you that, you know, we are dealing with trading, and there are risks involved when it comes to trading. Don't be succumbed by the false conclusion or fantasy that you're always going to win all your trades all the time, guys, because remember, when it comes to online trading or any type of investment, anything can happen. There are risks involved, but with the structure of Tradera, you are groomed and molded and basically programmed in a way that you will be successful, guys. All right, so we have another one here. This was earlier this morning from about 4 hours ago. My trading day went well. 1 loss today, taking my time and trusting my analysis. And then of course he goes through a risk disclosure, which everybody must understand. There is risk involved, like I just said 2 seconds ago. But as you can see from this woman's post, 11 out of 12 winning trades. Absolutely amazing, guys. And this is a huge one. This is massive. This was dated actually a couple of days ago on April 13th. As you can see, I just started yesterday. This is a new member, guys. I just started yesterday. Thank you to the live Zoom session this morning. I learned a lot. Thank you, guys. And check this out, guys. 13 winning trades out of 16. That is massive profit growth right there. And just imagine being able to do this. You know, maybe you have a busy time, so maybe you can only do this a few times a week. Well, that's a few times a week that you're going to be making profits. Or if you could do this every single day, it's even better. This is another one. If you're not taking, and this lady says, if you're not taking advantage of these live sessions, then shame on you, right? Shame on you guys. Even if you're in a demo, trust me, I promise you will pick up some golden nuggets. They be fire, we be pippin' and dipping. Again, referring to that 20 pip and dip that we'll be talking about soon. All we see is blue. We appreciate you guys. So this is an image. If you don't know what this is, guys, this is an image of 80 pips in profit. Kind of imagine for pips that if you were making $1 per pip, this woman would right now be over $80 plus in profit. But when you're trading, you are more than $1 in pip in most cases. So so she definitely earned a very nice profit here. Thank you everyone for showing up to my London session. So this is actually one of the ladies who hosts some of the live trading sessions that I told you of. And again, because there are different time zones, there are different sessions that you can attend to. Because again, everyone's in a different time zone. For some people, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. For some other people, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So granted, we're not always able to trade at the same time. So they have a structure so that way, no matter where you live, no matter what time zone you're in, you can attend a trading session. So she says, thank you everyone for showing up to my London session and my Forex bestie for co-hosting. Over 230 people from the squad, and we're up over 950 pips in profits. Call live. See you all again. You should be trading. Absolutely insane, guys. Stacking Pips with David and Josh. David and Josh are actually some of the lead members and mentors who host some of these training sessions. He says they're killing it. If you're not on this call, you are missing money. So this is actually an image that she had taken of one of the trading sessions in regards to the 20 pip and dip strategy. And again, guys, this is exclusive only for members who join Tradera. And again, stay tuned to the very end of this video because I'm actually going to provide you with a sneak peek clip of one of the sessions that they had last night. So granted, I can't show you too much information, but that's definitely something you're not going to want to miss. And basically what this strategy entails, guys, is compounded profits, short-term trades, compounding profits. And you know, one of the most common questions that are thrown around in the group in connection to this particular strategy, and I know I've discussed this before in my previous videos, but I'll say it again, is it possible to turn a small $50 account and turn it into $12,000 in profits in 30 days? Think about that for a moment, guys. Turning $50 into $12,000. And that's what this strategy is based upon. Compounding profits, short-term trades, and of course, learning how to trade and learning how to execute and master this easy and simple to follow strategy. So again, guys, these are real testimonials. And as I mentioned earlier in this video, stay tuned to the very end of this video because I'm going to provide you with a sneak peek clip from last night's trading session revolving the 20 pip and dip strategy, okay? So that is just the aspect of trading, guys. And remember, results, feedback from other people, from other members, I believe is key. This is how you can better understand whether or not a service like Tradera is worth it or not. And as you can see, guys, many people, even people who are just started, these are all beginner traders, are making money almost immediately. And now it gets even better, guys, because again, this is just one side that you can make money, and the other side is the marketing aspect. And again, whether or not you want to do the trading, the marketing, or both, the choice is yours. As a member of Tradera, you will have access to all of it. Now, you're probably wondering, or maybe you already know, guys, but just for those of you who don't know, to get started with Tradera, it is only $99. And for $99 membership, you get everything that we've just covered so far. And that isn't even everything that Tradera has to offer, but this is just everything that we have just covered so far in terms of the trading aspect. And as you can see from these results, it literally pays for itself. These are trading sessions that people are, and results that people are experiencing every single day. And you're probably thinking to yourself, well, maybe $99 is a lot of money. Granted, I know, especially during times where, you know, money is a little bit tighter than what we normally are accustomed to. But I also want you to think, guys, about what else are you spending that is, you know, close to or more than $99 that isn't bringing you any money, any residual income, any income whatsoever, no value. You know, think about it for a moment. Cable TV, streaming services, even your cell phone. I mean, so many people out there, they try to buy the newest iPhone, the newest Android, and those phones cost anywhere from $600 to $1,000. And then on top of that, you're paying anywhere from $50 to $100 a month for a cell phone. So what? So that way you can send text messages or look on Facebook, Instagram, and ultimately just waste time. Now, is that phone that you're paying monthly fees for, is it making you money? Well, actually, it could with this service. So, and that's another thing. If you notice from a lot of these images that I shared with you, these are images that are taken from people's phones. A lot of people are trading on the go, which is another cool thing that you can do with this service. Many people don't want to be fixated in front of a computer screen in an office or on their couch. They want to be outside, and you can do that. So think about that for a moment, guys, with the $99 fee, and it literally pays for itself, as you can see from all of these earnings, from just some of these earnings that people are earning. Again, these are beginner traders. You can make that fee, it pays for itself within 1 or 2 days, and then you have the rest of the month where all the profits you earn are profits. All right, so think about that. All right. But again, guys, it doesn't stop there. Not only are people making results with the trading aspect, but they're making money and they're earning results with the marketing side, okay? So just like I told you that with the marketing side, there's a community where you're guided and you're, being mentored and tutored and molded and guided in the right direction. The same applies for the marketing side. There's a private Facebook group for that as well, and that way you can succeed in the marketing aspect if that's something that you want to do, okay? And it's pretty simple, guys. I mean, if you want to actually take advantage of this, you only need to refer 3 people unto you. It doesn't matter if it's 3 friends, 3 colleagues, 3 family members, or 3 complete strangers. All you need is 3 people to sign up under you, and you get this for free, okay? You get this entire service for free. Your membership is waived, okay? So think about that for a moment. Not only are you making money from the trading side every single day, but you're also having a free membership. And I know that a lot of people kind of see this structure, they immediately start thinking Ponzi, pyramid scheme. And I don't blame you, because honestly, I thought the same thing when I first started investigating Tradera. So I do just want to shed some light this, so bear with me, all right? I do want to shed some light that, first off, you have to understand the true definition of a pyramid Ponzi scheme. A pyramid Ponzi scheme, by definition, by reality, is a service that doesn't deliver any value, okay? Any value, no value whatsoever. And the only way that you can make money is by referring other people below you, all right? Now, with everything that I've just covered, does Tradera sound like a Ponzi scheme? Absolutely not, because there is so much value in this, all right? All of the trading service and education resources and live webinars that you'll be able to have access to every single day pays for itself on its own, guys. That is the beauty of this. And it gets even better because the marketing side of this whole, referral program that they have, where you only need to invite 3 people, is optional. It's optional. You don't even need to get involved with it if you don't want to, guys. The option is yours. You have the option, and there are many people who have joined Tradera who focus either on the marketing aspect or on the trading side. Now, personally, I like to do both. I've been trading for 7 years, and I've been in affiliate marketing, network marketing, things like that for the past, I would say, 3-4 years. So I'm combining both, and that's what this company has, guys. There's a lot of value in this company. So let's actually go into the results from people who are, making money from this. So first, actually, before we get into it, before we get too ahead of myself, you have to understand the structure of how it works. There are different levels that you can achieve. So like I mentioned, guys, you only need 3 people. That's it. You only need to recruit 3 people, and you gain access to all of these benefits. And not to mention, again, your membership is free. But there are other levels that you can achieve, such as Knight, Noble, Bishop, Duchess, Prince, Princess, Queen, King, Emperor, and of course, the top honcho is Legend. And as you reach these different levels, guys, as you can see, or hopefully you can see from these charts, once you start reaching Knight, you start earning automatic residual income every single week. And I do encourage you guys, whether or not you have doubts of whether this is a Ponzi scheme or a pyramid scheme or anything anything like that, I actually created a video, and I invite you guys to watch this video that explains the entire process of how this referral program works. It is unlike anything we've ever seen, and again, you only need 3 people. So I will leave the link down. There should be a little notification at the top, but I'll also leave the link to that video down below in the video description for your convenience. You can watch it anytime. You can earn anywhere from $500 a month all the way up to $100,000 a month, guys. And this might sound or seem impossible or damn near, unrealistic, but there are many people here, as you may see, that we have, that are achieving all of these types of referral incomes. And on top of that, they're also making money from the trading side. Now, granted, guys, just like for the privacy of the trading side, I blurred out all of the names of these people, but this is something that's really cool that I really love about this, is that with this community that you are in for both the trading side and the marketing side, we are all here to bring everybody up, to inspire everyone, to teach everyone, and to basically succeed together as a team. And they do these little images whenever people reach certain levels. They do these little images, as I'm showing you, where, people are achieving different ranks. And we actually had a couple of people, including this guy, who ended up reaching the legend level a couple of weeks ago. This is the first guy, and we also had a first lady who achieved this level. And again, legend is where you earn $25,000 a week, $100,000 a month in residual income, guys. So again, for more information on in-depth details on how this all works, I invite you to watch the video that we created. I'll leave the link down below. But again, guys, these are real people, real live results, not just on the marketing side, but on the trading side. And again, this is all optional. You don't even need to do this if you don't want to, guys. But then again, who doesn't want free stuff? Almost everybody who joins recruits friends or recruits neighbors or family members. So that way, and again, you only need 3 people, and their membership is free on top of all the profits that you are earning from online trading, guys. Now, remember that 20 pip and dip strategy that I was talking about earlier? I have a sneak peek clip that I'm going to share with you right now in this video. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free, guys, to email me directly at prestigebound@gmail.com, or you can also comment on this very video, guys. All right, so stay tuned, enjoy the clip, and I'll see you on the other side.
You guys to see what's going on, okay? This is absolutely powerful what we're doing, and there's no reason why all of you guys are not winning with us, okay? So this is Euro AUD. I called this out at the very bottom. I'm going to take off our 20 pips and dip indicator just for a second so you guys can see this setup. It broke structure right here. This is precisely where we got in, okay? I'll pull this out just a little bit, okay, just so you guys can see. You had a strong push down. You had a very strong, right here, support zone. And at that point, we saw a break of structure. And at this point, we're moving to the upside. We already have hit our take profit 1. You can see that here. What I'll do is make this where it's even clearer for you, dotted line, and you can see that the candle went through, okay? Absolutely powerful, guys. Now I'm looking for this to move up to take profit 2. I need you guys, if you made money on our live session tonight, I need you to give me a 555 right now in the chat box. I need you to tag somebody below. I need you to send this video to somebody. Look at this. This is another setup that I called out. We were in a uptrend. Okay, you can see that here. Price broke structure here. We got in right at the entry point. This is sniper entry. Okay, right on this break right here, okay? At this point, now we're writing this down to our TP. EA has already hit take profit 1. I'm looking at AUD USD right now. You can see that right here. We got our 20 pips and dip indicator on it right here, which also confirmed the sell. Absolutely amazing. Looking for this to drop nasty right now, okay? Drop it like it's hot, baby. This is what we're doing out here on these charts. Entries are everything, guys. Entries are everything, and you're watching these trades in profit as we speak. No, we're not showing profits. We're showing pips. We're showing education. We're showing setup. So I need you guys to understand this is how you really trade, okay? Right now, we got our USD CAD over here, okay? Let me pull this trade up. We had the same thing. This right here was in a downtrend. It hit a massive support zone, okay? We got our entry point, and this trade is in profit as well. Okay, absolutely powerful. Looking for this to move up. So this right here is still around entry point. It's a couple pips in profit as we speak. but it's super, super powerful, guys. I love the fact that we're helping people every day win in these markets. I love the fact that we're actually teaching people the skill set, okay? This isn't about just sharing this with people. It's about changing people's life, creating financial literacy, helping people create sustainability during this time. If you don't know what's going on in the Forex markets, I need you guys to wake up and learn what's going on, okay? We have the best platform out there. Our trades are in ridiculous profits. Every day we're calling out these trades, and I mean, you can see it right now. I mean, we're just falling into profit right now. Entry point on the break. You see this, guys? It closes. Entry on the break. Bam. Sniper entry. This is our 20 pips and dip recap. Okay. We also have a sell on GBP JPY. You can see right here it closed below on the 50. It closed right here on the 50. Underneath it, and at this point it's confirmed our sell to the downside, and we have our take profit set. If you did not get that, well, you weren't on the call and you're not on the team, because we make sure that everybody has access to that. So I'm looking for GBP JPY to give us a nice move to the downside as well. Right now we close below the 50 and looking to test down. At least, I'll give you this much, guys, at least right here to this zone. Test it, watch it. We will post screenshots so you guys can see. Guys, if you made money on my session, I want you to give me a 777 in the chat box right now. Okay? And it is absolutely a beautiful thing. You don't have to be the expert. You don't know everything that's going on. You're coming and you're learning, okay? This is not the time for you to be the teacher. This is the time for you to be the student, okay? And I'm going to help you grow in these markets. I'm going to be trading live with you, and all you got to do is follow our lead, okay? So listen, I just want to give a quick recap. We are absolutely exploding this thing right now, guys. I mean, you can see this thing. I mean, it's just gorgeous. It makes me so happy to see so many people winning, okay? Bam, bam, bam. Entry point right at the break of structure. Boom. To the top. Let's go, baby. Much love to you guys. If you want to get on the session tomorrow night, make sure you let me know here in the chat box, and I will make sure you get access to that, okay? 9 p.m. Eastern every night, Monday through Thursday. We're live for all of you to see what we're doing, and now is the time for you to begin to win with us, okay? Peace to all you guys. A lot of crazy stuff's going on in the world, but it's an amazing time to create your future right now. It's an amazing time to truly have real freedom and sustainability, okay? Living without, it's not the time for that. Abundance is what you were made for, and it's time that you get the right information to create that life, okay? Comment below in the chat box that you can see this, that you see we're winning. I mean, it's moving up right now as we speak, guys. Look at this. Right on the money, baby. Right on the money. Break of structure, boom, to the upside. Let's go. Odd USD. Odd USD. Look at this. Entry point. Bam, profit. It's going to smash TP. I'll post the screenshot later. Much love to all you guys. I'm about to hang out for a little bit. Enjoy the night. We caught our pips, and guess what? Now it's time to dip. I'll talk to y'all later.
All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, again, drop a comment. Email me directly at prestigebinary@gmail.com. And more importantly, guys, do not miss out on this amazing, amazing opportunity. So check out all the information, and I'll see you inside the group.